Get ready to slay with this full glam makeup tutorial. From a flawless base to bold eyes and the perfect lip, I'm sharing all tips for a long-lasting makeup look. Hey beauties, welcome to my YouTube channel, my Missy here. Today I'm showing you how to achieve this flawless full glam perfect for all occasions. I'm starting with micellar cleansing water to clean my face because we don't want to start applying our makeup on a dirty face. We want to keep our lips hydrated throughout this tutorial, so I'm going in with some lip oil to keep my lips hydrated. Next on, I'm using moisturizer to hydrate and create a smooth base. As we all know, a flawless glam look starts with skin prep. Next on, I'm going ahead to apply the e.l.f. Gripping Primer. This primer smoothens the skin and it will also help our makeup to last all day. For foundation, I'm going to go ahead to use my Nars Light Reflecting Foundation. This foundation is a beautiful blend of makeup and skincare, which instantly blurs imperfections, smooths the look of textured skin, and helps conceal blemishes, dark spots, and redness. I'm going to go ahead to blend it with a brush for a seamless and flawless finish. For my contour, I'm going to go ahead with a darker shade of the Nars Light Reflecting Foundation and apply on my cheekbones, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my jawline. This will add definition and enhance my facial features. I'm going in with a brush to blend out my contour. You want to make sure that when you're blending out your contour, you're blending it upwards to give your face a lifted look. For blush, I'm going to go ahead to apply the e.l.f. Camo Liquid Blush. This blush is ultra pigmented, long lasting, and has a dewy finish. Applying this blush on my cheek to add some color. Next, I'm going to go ahead to apply concealer under my eyes and on the high points of my face. Next on, I'm going in with another shade of concealer to apply under my eye. This one, I'm just going to apply it in between the previous one. I'm going in with a small fluffy brush to blend all of that out and give it that bright lifted effect. We are just going to go ahead and keep blending until everything is seamless and smooth. You really don't want to rush this process. You want to take your time and blend everything out smoothly. Now that everything is well blended out, we are going to go ahead to set our makeup in place. For powder, I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Easy Bake Setting Powder to lock everything in place. I'm going ahead to use a triangle puff for this process because it makes the application process way easier. Using the leftover powder on the triangle puff to set the other highlighted areas. Then I'm going to go ahead to add warmth with the Juvia's Place powder bronzer. I'm applying it to my cheekbones, jawline, and forehead to sculpt my face, and a little on my nose for that snatched effect too. I'm going to go in with this pressed powder, which is my skin shade, to set the rest of my face. For brows, I'm going to go ahead and brush them out first with a spoolie brush, and then I'm going to be using a brown pencil to give shape and definition to the brow. I'm going to go ahead to use this 2 concealer shade from Avour Cosmetics to clean up my brow. Starting off with a lighter shade to clean the lower part of my brow, and I'm going to use the darker shade to clean the top of my brow. Going in with a small brush to blend all of that out and make it smooth. Moving on to eyes, I'm applying concealer to prep my eyes. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty palette to start building my transition colors, and I'm going to start with this light shade of brown. I'm going to go in to keep blending that out while packing more eyeshadow onto my crease. I'm going to go ahead to deepen it with this dark brown shade into my crease. I'll just keep blending that out until everything is well blended. And I'm going to go ahead to add this shimmer color onto the lid for that pop of glam. This color is just so beautiful and it's pigmented. I've had that palette for years now and it still works perfectly. To tie everything together, I'm going in with my Beckham Ageless matte lipstick to line my lips. I'm going ahead to fill in with this nude pink lipstick from the Blossom Lip Palette. I'm going in with my Inglot gel liner to line my waterline. A full glam isn't complete without bold lashes. I'm applying mascara to make my eyes pop. And lastly, setting everything in place with setting spray to keep my makeup all night. I'm going in to apply lip gloss to the middle of my lips. I'm using the NYX Butter Gloss. This gloss is absolutely gorgeous. If you've watched this video up to this point, I want to say thank you, and please do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video to your loved ones and your family. And let me know in the comment section if you're learning anything from my videos. I'm just going to go in with the leftover powder on my powder puff to tap under my eye. At this point, we can all see how gorgeous everything has come together. Our long tutorial is finally coming to an end, and I love how everything turned out. And of course, we are not going to be forgetting our highlighter, which is going to give us that glowing effect. Let me also know what the favorite part of this whole full glam is for you, because for me, it's the brows for me. The brows are just so perfect. Let me know in the comment what yours is. Are we not just gorgeous? Everything looks perfect. And that's our finished look. What do you think? Let me know in the comments if you'll be trying this out. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a video from me. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.